So you now have access to your website's backend on Socially Versed. Let's show you about how you can go about navigating Socially Versed to find new leads that come in. So for example, let's take Scrubby Dubs Cleaning here. If you have a form like this on your website, no matter where it's at, if you have a form set up on your website, anybody that submits a form, that form submission will go directly to your email with the form submission attached. If you reply to that form submission in the email, it will go back to the person that submitted it. So that's a cool way that you can go about contacting someone that's reached out on your website. You can just reply directly to the email thread that gets sent to you. What I recommend is going onto your website and actually submitting a test lead form and submit that. It'll come to your email, and then reply directly to that email like you would to start your sales process, and it'll go right back to the email that you sent. So if you don't get that email or don't want to check your emails all the time, where can you go within Socially Versed to see your leads? Well, under this contact section, if you go into contacts, you're going to see the main contact section for your website. Anybody that submits a form on your website, their contact info will be uploaded here. You'll be able to see their name, email, phone, tags created, and other data points on them. If you click on their name directly, it'll take you into their user profile. But let's come back to that here in a second. This button down over here is our Messages Center. If you click on Messages, you'll essentially be able to pull up the full panel to see every form submit on your website. So any form that has submitted on your website, you'll essentially be able to see here, and you can click through each user profile and see the information that they submitted. You can also jump directly to their user profile. So if you click on user profile, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to that user's profile. Again, see all the information that they submitted, the full form that they submitted. You can come in here and make notes about them. Once again, see their forms. If they have any orders, subscriptions, marketing details, or appointments, you'll see all of that right here within Socially Versed. Under activity, you can see any emails that you've sent them. You can also see SMS messages you sent them, orders, appointments, forms, and more, once again, right here. So once again, if you send them emails, which you can do right within Socially Versed. So if you have a professional email set up for your business and your domain, you can actually come in here and click email, and then basically edit this email to send to them from who, the URL you want to send them to, or the email you want to send it to, or from, I should say. You can also enter your subject here and then build out a full email. So within this email builder, if you don't want to send just a basic email, you can actually come in here and switch to the email builder and send a full customized email based on whatever image, colors, branding, logos, anything that you want, all right within here. Jumping back, you can also schedule emails, see your scheduled email, or send it directly. So you could send this user an email directly from in Socially Versed. The second option is if you have Twilio set up with Socially Versed, and if you don't know what we're talking about, go ahead and reach out to our support team, and we'll be more than happy to walk you through your options and if this is included in your plan. But with Twilio set up, you can come in here and send an SMS message. So if you don't have Twilio set up, you're going to see this red error account here, and you'll essentially have to go and set up Twilio. Once again, what I recommend is if you want to send SMS messages directly from the Socially Versed platform, go ahead and reach out to our support team, and we will go about helping you get that done and seeing if it's included in your plan. So if it is included in your plan, you'll be able to essentially come in here and send them an SMS message. You can type out your message, add a tag, send a test, schedule your SMS message, and then send it directly to them. Cool feature and cool thing I want to point out with Socially Versed is with these email and SMS message options, you can actually set up custom email marketing campaigns or custom emails to send directly to them in automations as well. But overall, we're going to keep it short and simple here on this video. And we just wanted to go over and show you how you can go about contacting your leads that come through on your website. So once again, the options are if someone submits a form on your website, it'll go directly to your email, and then you can reply in that email. You could call them, you could email them outside of that email thread, or you can come in here and see their contact information, the form they submitted, and then contact them via the built-in email marketing tool, the built-in SMS tool, or once again, you can also send these leads via automations, API connections to outside CRMs or outside platforms to begin your sales process. If you have any questions over any of this, just let our support team know, and we'll be more than happy to help you.